From the outside, the MakerBot store looks like any other NoHo retail outlet. But step inside and you've entered a whole new world of manufacturing. MakerBot is the first retail distributor of personal 3D printers. So how does it work? The MakerBot replicator uses a process called additive manufacturing. Material is printed layer by layer until the final product is formed. The replicator costs a little over $2,000. And the store stocks plastic materials so customers can print products in a variety of colors. So why is this technology such a big deal? Say you think of a product you want. With traditional manufacturing, that product would have to be made at a factory, it would have to be sorted, packaged, and prepped, it would have to be loaded onto a delivery truck, shipped to a retail store, and put on the display racks before you can buy it and have it in your hands. With 3D printing, all of that goes away. Instead, you think of a product, feed the design into the replicator, and a few hours later, the product is yours. 3D printing is also much less wasteful. In traditional manufacturing, the product is cut from an existing chunk of material, and all the extra stuff goes to waste. Because 3D printing is an additive printing process, there's no excess material left over. This additive process also allows 3D printers to create more intricate designs, as you can create cavities in places traditional manufacturing machines couldn't reach before. So if this technology is so awesome, why don't we all have a 3D printer in our homes? CEO of Digital Forming, Lisa Haruni, attempted to answer this question in her 2011 TED Talk.
Simply, most of us here today don't know how to create the data that a 3D printer reads. If I gave you a 3D printer, you wouldn't know how to direct it to make what you wanted to.
MakerBot has a solution to this problem. It's called Thingiverse, an online repository for 3D printing models submitted by users for users. And if nothing catches your eye online, you can just scan an existing object using any one of these available applications. Still not convinced that 3D printing is going to change the world? At another TED conference in 2012, Dr. Anthony Atala showed off what he's been using his custom-made 3D printer for.
We have the printer right here. So while we've been talking today, we've actually, you can actually see the printer back here in the backstage. That's actually the actual printer right now, and that's been printing this kidney structure that you see here. It takes about 7 hours to print a kidney, so this is about 3 hours into it now. These gloves are a little bit small on me, but here it is. You can actually see that kidney as it was printed earlier today.